Good morning, guys. It's another day and another vlog. Today is a boring day. Getting up early and getting ready for any call. But it turns out that I've waited all day. Done changing my bed, taking shower, doing exercise, and gone to parlor for fixing my eyebrows. I just keep myself
Nice.
ready all day. Ligid-ligid. Days ago, I've mentioned on my vlogs that I'm changing my 20 visa to 18 visa. Diba? Yes, guys, finally, the Kuwait government lifted the ban for transferring 20 to 18 visa. Finally. And this chance was given to us for only 2 months. Dalawang buwan lang. And my previous job offers me also to change my visa. But since I have some sama ng loob, misunderstandings with my mga kasama there, so I prefer to find another place. It's a new place, but some of the workers came from my previous work, so I guess it's not a bit hard for me to adjust on that work. Mga kasama ko na rin yung mga makakasama ko doon, yung mga teachers doon, kakilala ko na rin, mga kasama ko na rin doon sa kabilang school na pinasukan ko. So, hindi na ako maninibago sa mga kasama. Maninibago na lang ako sa mga rules na bago, and then sa bagong place, sa bagong lugar, sa bagong school, 'di ba? So, that's how our story goes on today. Our papers are all ready and we are just waiting for our old employees and new employer to meet in Jawazat to stamp the 18 visa. It's been a long day for me waiting and hoping that we can finish today. I've done everything today, exercise, clean, did my eyebrows, and watch all movies in my laptop. I'm trying to sleep but I can't sleep, and finally I get up to make these simple fruit desserts para naman matanggal ang aking stress. Yes, today we will make a very simple fruit dessert. It's very simple. Just clean and cut all the fruits. I'm so stressed, so I need to do something. Making food, preparing food. Yani, cooking is my stress reliever. Ikaw, anong stress reliever mo, Day? So, today, let's do some experiments. Samahan niyo ako. It's an apple, banana, pears, and oranges. Just cut and put in a bowl, then prepare the sauce. The sauce is made of leftover almond milk, mango juice, yogurt na mango flavor, and homemade condensed milk. Yung sauce natin, puro siya mango flavored kasi wala namang fresh mango yung ating fruits, 'di ba? So I make the sauce all mango flavored kasi yun din yung mga available sa aking ref. Yes, I tried to make condensed milk 1 month ago pa yan. Okay din naman siya and medyo malapot lang siya konti than the usual condensed milk that we buy. And I don't put more sugar so it's not sweet too much. Hindi kasi tamis mo ang condensed milk ko. Kaya, okay lang siya. Maganda siya. It's made of milk powder, butter, water, and sugar. Napanood ko lang yun sa TikTok kaya ginaya ko na din. O, diba? Gaya-gaya. Marami kang matutunan sa TikTok, guys. Sabi nila, sweet is not good to our health. Magkakadiabetes ka. But sweet is also good to regain our energy. Yes, that's what I learned in Arab people. Every time na magkaroon kami ng mga maraming trabaho, mabibigat na trabaho, maiinit ang lugar naming pinagtatrabahuan, ang mga kasama namin or the teachers, some of the teachers, they will give us chocolate bars para daw pampapower, pampabalik ng lakas. Yes, and it works, you know. So that's the reason why I made these desserts today kasi parang nawawalan na ako ng lakas sa kakahintay kung ano magiging resulta ng aming anang pag-process ng aming mga papeles. So, nakakaano kaya, nakakawala kaya ng ano, ng lakas yung hihiga ka, tapos busy-busy yung utak mo nakakaisip kung ano ba, kailan matatapos to? Matatapos pa ba to? Ano ba, kailan ako magtatrabaho? Yung ganun. So, that's why I made this dessert today para naman ma-regain ko yung energy ko para mag-active ulit yung aking utak. So, if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and feel free to comment in my comment section. Sana i-share nyo na rin para magkaroon ng maraming subscribers si Aywa, diba? Saka, oy, before I forget, yung chika ko sa inyo na kung magustuhan ni Chucky yung yung niluto natin ng isang araw. Yes! Panalo pa rin tayo doon. O, di ba? Panalo. Pero itong sweet, hindi to panalo kasi ayaw niya ng sweet. He don't like sweets. So, panalo pa rin tayo. Alright. Kita-kits na lang ulit tayo sa ating next vlog. Bye-bye! Wag kayong wag kayong makalimot. Huwag kayo ma-amnesia. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Sarap. Lasang-lasa yung yung vanilla ng almond milk. Vanilla ng almond milk. Lasang-lasa yung yung almond. Yung almond sa vanilla. Sarap na dessert. Mapapa one more. Nagdagan ko yung banana. Kasi parang kinain kainan ng lasa ng apple at saka ng pears.